Welcome to English Snap Lab, where mastering English is as easy as a snap. I'm your host, and today we are hopping on a plane. Well, at least we're getting ready for one. We are looking at the pack with me trend. Whether it's for a weekend getaway or a major relocation like the one I recently made to Lahore, packing is a universal experience. This lesson is perfect for learning travel vocabulary, clothing collocations, and the nuances of the future tense for planning. Put on your travel outfit and let's get our suitcases ready for the journey. Part 1. The Luggage and Essentials. Preparation Vocabulary. The pack with me trend always starts with a big decision, the luggage. You need to choose between a carry-on, a small bag you keep with you in the cabin, or checked baggage, the large suitcase that goes in the plane's hold. First, I am going to lay out all my essentials, a creator might say. We use the going to future for plans we have already made before speaking. To lay out, to spread things out on a flat surface so they can be easily seen and organized. To double check, to verify something a second time to be absolutely sure. I'm going to double check that I have my charger. To narrow down, to reduce the number of possibilities. I have 10 shirts, but I need to narrow it down to 5. Part 2. The Art of the Capsule Wardrobe, Clothing Collocations. When packing for a city like Lahore, you have to think about the weather, which can be quite hot, and the cultural silhouettes. Most professional travelers aim for a capsule wardrobe, a small, curated collection of clothes that can be mixed and matched to create many outfits. I will pack versatile pieces that I can layer, the vlogger explains. Here, we use future simple, will, for quick decisions made at the moment of packing. Versatile, able to be used in many different ways or for different occasions. To layer, to wear several pieces of clothing on top of each other. It might be chilly in the morning, so I will layer a light cardigan over my outfit. Color coordinate, to choose clothes that have matching or similar colors so they look good together. Part 3. Toiletries and the liquid rule, the technical travel English. Next is the toiletry bag or DOP kit. This is where things get technical because of airport security rules. If you are flying, you have to remember the 3-1-1 rule for liquids, 3.4-ounce containers in one clear bag with one bag per passenger. Toiletries, articles used in washing and taking care of one's body. Examples, soap, toothpaste, deodorant. Travel-sized, small, miniature versions of products made specifically for short trips. Leak-proof, designed so that no liquid can escape and ruin your clothes. I will make sure my face wash is in a leak-proof container. To decant, to pour a liquid from its original large bottle into a smaller travel-friendly container. Part 4. Maxing out space, packing techniques. The most satisfying part of the trend is the physical act of filling the bag. In the travel community, there is an ongoing debate. Are you a roller or a folder? I am going to roll my clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles, the creator says. To roll versus to fold, rolling clothes tightly into burritos often saves more space than traditional folding. Packing cubes are small fabric containers used to organize the inside of a suitcase, like drawers. To compress, to flatten or squeeze something to make it take up less space. I will use a compression bag for my heavy winter coat. To max out, to use something to its full limit. I don't want to max out my suitcase's weight capacity and pay extra fees. Learning Summary, English Snap Lab. In today's long-form Pack With Me, we mastered the language of the journey. Carry-on, checked baggage, your two main luggage options. Versatile, layer, strategies for a smart wardrobe. Toiletry, decant, 3-1-1, vocabulary for the bathroom bag. Packing cubes, compress, tools to save space. Going to versus will, using going to for the big plan and will for the small decisions as you pack. Your homework. Imagine you are going to visit Lahore this weekend. What is the one essential item you will pack in your suitcase? Tell me in the comments using a future tense. For example, I am going to pack my favorite sunglasses. Thank you for packing with me today at the lab. If you're ready for your next adventure, make sure to subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next snap.